Hello, grade 6 students. Today our lesson is about fire. The title, What to Do If You Hear a Fire Alarm. Okay? What to do if you hear a fire alarm. Our vocabulary. If you can see this sign, this is the sign for fire exit. Fire exit. If there is a fire, this is the thing that you are going to find. You are going to exit in this area. Okay, next, fire alarm. Fire alarm, fire exit, and if you can see this one, this is a fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Okay, next, fire poster. Fire poster. This is the thing that you're going to read here, and this is the guide for you what you're going to do if there's a fire. Okay, next, fire safety measures. This one. Then smoke. Smoke. And this one, press the alarm. Press the alarm. Okay, one more time. Fire alarm. We're going to spell the word fire alarm. F-I-R-E-A-L-A-R-M. Fire alarm. Fire exit. Fire exit. F-I-R-E-E-X-I-T. Fire exit. Fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. F-I-R-E-X-T-I-N-G-U-I-S-H-E-R. Fire extinguisher. Next, fire poster. Fire poster. F-I-R-E-P-O-S-T-E-R. Fire poster. Fire safety measures. F-I-R-E-S-A-F-E-T-Y. Measures. P-I-M-E-S-U-R-E-S. Fire safety measures. Smoke. S-M-O-K-E. Press the alarm. Press the alarm. P-R-E-S-S-T-H-E-A-L-A-R-M. Press the alarm. Okay, next, our vocabulary words. Stay calm. Stay calm. This is the pasapan. Ought not. Get hurt. Practice. Class group. Remain quiet. Adult. Without permission. Safety. Safe. Fire drill. Okay, one more time. Stay calm. Ought not. Practice. Get hurt. Class group. Remain quiet. Adult. Without permission. Safety. Safe. Fire drill. Next, fire safety in the classroom. So, in the classroom, there are fire safety. We are the guide. Okay? If you think there is a fire, what you're going to do? You must have to listen to fire drills. Instructions at school, it is to practice what to do if there is a fire, a real fire. Number 2, you must press the fire alarm. Press the fire alarm. Number 3, you had better tell a teacher. You must not try to put out the fire by yourself. Okay, these are the safety measures that you are going to follow in the classroom if there is a fire in the school. Okay, next, what should you do when you hear a fire alarm? Okay, what should you do when you hear a fire alarm? Number 1, students must stay calm. Okay. Number 2, students must be quiet. Number 3, students must walk to the nearest building exit. Okay, one more time. Students must stay calm. Students must be quiet. students must walk to the nearest building exit. This is the building exit. Okay, next, number 4, students ought not to stop and pick up their bags. So if you are going down, do not go. If you already went out from the classroom, do not go back to pick up something. Okay, number 5, students must not run or they might get hurt. Okay, students must not run or they might get hurt. Number 6, classroom doors had better be closed. Classroom doors had better be closed. Number 7, students should walk to the playground. So if in Matbangoy Chang School, you're going to go out, then go there. That is the playground. The next, students must line up in their groups. Students must line up in their groups. Number 9, students must remain quiet and answer the teacher when their names are called. Okay? Next, number 10, students must not return to the building without permission. Okay? There are 10 there are 10 things that you're going to do if there is a fire. So you're just going back to the slide. For our activity, number 1 here is write the correct answer. There are more than in one question there are more than one answer in this area. Example, if you smell smoke or think that there might be a fire, what should you do? So there are some choices there that you are going to make. Okay, just like this one, you should run away, you should press the button, or you should tell an adult. So what is your answer? Number 2, look at the picture and write the word. Number 3, give at least 5 things you should do when you hear a fire alarm. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 10 examples, but you are just going to give 5. Okay, that's all for this topic. Thank you very much and goodbye.